In our lab, we work on the biological effects of the process of ocean acidification. And ocean acidification is a process where the oceans are absorbing man-made carbon dioxide, and this is causing them to become more acidic. We wanted to understand, given that ocean acidification is a process that happens over time, could evolutionary change actually come to the rescue? Could adaptation to ocean acidification actually play a role in rescuing natural populations? Ideally, if we wanted to understand can an organism adapt to climate change, we would really want to just take a time machine into the future and see did they adapt. But since we can't do this, another thing we can do is to measure genetic variation. And so we did a big breeding experiment where we crossed many different male and female urchins and then took their larvae and exposed them to current conditions and the conditions that we expect to see in the future ocean and asked what are the effects of the future ocean conditions, and then also is there genetic variation for the response to those future conditions. So this is the holding tank where we hold adult urchins. You can see that we have adult urchins here. This is actually a red urchin. Our study was on purple sea urchins, but this is a red sea urchin here. We've got two species of urchins. This is another urchin called Litocynus, these cute little lighter colored guys. This is a bucket that we use to raise the larvae, and these buckets have seawater pumped in with that's been treated to mimic the future ocean conditions. And then each bucket is also fitted with a paddle that spins gently and keeps the larvae well mixed and happy while they're in these buckets. And what we found is that in fact, there's a lot of genetic variation for the response to the future ocean in purple urchins. And this is really great news because it means that they probably will be able to adapt, at least to some degree, to the effects of ocean acidification. And we think that this capacity for evolution might really lend this species some increased resilience to global change.